Writing style engaging. Hey there, tiny friends. Today we're going on a super exciting learning journey. Are you ready to hop on board? Great! First stop, Alphabet Town. A, B, C, D. Each letter has a fun story to tell. Can you sing the ABC song with me? Awesome job! Singing together makes learning so much fun, doesn't it? Next, we're zooming over to number forest. Here, we get to meet all the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Can you count along? Wow, you're doing amazing. But what's a journey without some animal friends? Let's tiptoe into Animal Alley. We have bouncy bunnies, giggly goats, and even a friendly frog. Can you make the sounds they make? Ribbit, ribbit. That's right. You sound just like them. Oh, look! We've reached Color Corner. It's a rainbow of colors here. Red, blue, yellow, green. What's your favorite color? That's a beautiful choice. Colors make our world so bright and cheerful. And before we know it, it's time to head back home. I had so much fun learning and singing with you. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new and exciting. So, keep exploring, keep singing, and keep laughing. Until next time, bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to wave goodbye to all our new friends in Alphabet Town, Number Forest, Animal Alley, and Color Corner. See you soon on our next big learning journey.